Okay, working on the 2008 HHR. I'm going to be replacing these rear hatch struts. Every time I come up to open it, I have to push it up. It won't. I think how slow that thing is. And then it stops. And I gotta actually push it up to go all the way up. So I got this new set right here. Max Pow 124099. I got them off Amazon. And they come in this plastic bag like this. And this is what they look like. So I'm going to show you how to take these off and replace them with the new ones. Okay, so first what you do is you come in here, with a screwdriver, you pry this little thing out here, right? I'm gonna do it on the top one also. This might be a little bit harder. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I pried these out, top and bottom. Now I got my screwdriver. I'm just gonna put it here. I don't know if the trunk is gonna fall down, so let me just hold it. Yeah, it's gonna fall down. All right, so that's off, and the top one just came right off. And so now, comparing the new and the old one. So that's the old one. Just pop it up on here. Just push it. And this isn't the right spot. You just spin it around and lift up the trunk. You got my hands right. Push that in there. All right, now let's do the other side. Pull this out. Okay, same thing. Pry this out here. Pry this out like this. You got it right. Pry this out over here. You want to maybe come on this side? I don't know. I'm trying to pry this thing out here. I really need a smaller screwdriver. Okay, that's off. I'm going to hold it. Pop this off, and that comes right off. Oh, yep, see one has. Then pop that off. Get that out of the way. The new one. Pop that on. Twist this guy. And pop it on. It's easy. All right, so now let's see if this thing, how this thing opens and closes. All right, so there's it closed. Let's see how it opens. Oh, look at that, I don't even have to touch it anymore. Looks like it's working pretty well. Ready? Look, don't even have to touch it. Goes all the way up. So if you have any problems with your hatch going up, buy yourself some new shocks. Let's see if I can push them in. Like this one. I think one of them was bent.
Let me try, Dad.
Okay, here.
Oh God.
Well, it takes a little while, and then it'll start sinking in. Nope.
Wait, let me try the other one.
All right, try the other one. You put a lot of weight on it.
Yeah.
It's gonna raise your stomach.
Ah.
No, that one. Yep.
Oops.
They're garbage.
Can I destroy them?
No, you cannot destroy them.
Please.
No.
Please.
You can throw them away in the garbage.
Yay.
All right, thanks. That was just a really quick demonstration on how to replace these struts. If you have any problems with it, it was easy. I think these were like $25 on Amazon. I could put the, what do I do?
Link in the description below.
I'll put the link to these shocks in the description below. That's a great idea. All right, so this is my son. Sign us out.
Bye.
What else do you want to tell everybody?
Have a nice weekend. Make sure to like and subscribe to not miss out on daily videos.
No, not daily videos. There will not be any daily videos. I don't have time for daily videos. Weekly, at least. So, all right, thanks, guys.